So at the minute we are on our way to Hunting Butts Railway Bridge, which is a early 20th century, late 19th century Great Western Railway train line that is no longer used, and the land where the track runs through goes through Cheltenham Racecourse. So we're going, this is the road we're on now, is going through Cheltenham Racecourse, and there's a load of abandoned trains. Hunting Butts Railway has got hundreds of backed up, rusted old trains, and this is the only way to access it is to go through Cheltenham Racecourse, which is what we're doing right now. And my hands are absolutely Baltic. I knew I should have got some gloves. So what I'm going to do when we get down here, if we can't get access to the trains, I'm going to stick my drone up in the air. I'll switch from Google to DJI. It's bloody freezing, isn't it? Do you know what? It's not cold. My body's not cold, and my hands are freezing. They're like ice cubes. Cheltenham has basically got a steam train, that runs from it's the old Gloucestershire and Warwickshire Railway, and they run a steam train that runs from Cheltenham to Warwickshire, and it still runs today. So this train line here is part of the old abandoned railway, but they still use it for the steam train, but they stop when they get to Cheltenham Racecourse. And then the end of the line is where all the old trains are stored. So if we follow this line where we are now, we're going to meet up with the old railway as well, the old trains. But it's a shame you can't drive down here because it's fucking freezing, isn't it? Yeah, my hands might be a bit wobbly at the minute because
I want to sprint down there.
You want to what?
Sprint,
What do you want to do that for? Are you mad? You want to sprint? So yeah, where we are now is basically the racecourse, Cheltenham Racecourse. It's the back end. So, obviously Cheltenham Racecourse is surrounded by a lot of farms and stuff. But it's freezing this morning. I got out the car and it was like 0 degrees, it says on the car. So, yeah. Oh yeah, I can see the train station now. So basically, look at them horses looking at us. What's happening, Shergar? Yeah, so Jaden's out with me. He was in bed this morning, weren't you, Jaden? And I woke you up.
Yeah, you scared me. You tapped my foot.
Tapped your foot and said, "Come on, Jaden, we're going out." And he's like, "Where are we going? Where are we going now, Dad?"
Yeah.
We are going to get cold with the penguins. Fucking hell. Fucking freezing, mate. I knew I should have bought some gloves this morning, I forgot.
I don't need gloves. My hands are fine.
No, you need to put your hands in your pockets, Jaden, if you can.
But my hands are fine.
So we're following this. The woman just told us to stick to the right, so we have stuck to the right. As you can see down there, that's the road to the left. That road goes round to the car park at Cheltenham Racecourse. This pathway follows the Great Western Railway steam train line. Yeah, so this line here is for steam train. Well, what am I looking down there? Oh, I don't know, but my hands are cold, lad. Oh. Private property, keep out, Gloucestershire, Warwickshire Steam Railway. Ooh, steam train. I woke up this morning and I said to Jaden, "Come on, let's go and find this abandoned railway at Cheltenham Racecourse." And we stopped up the car park at the top there, and it's got to be, I said 0 degrees, but it's got to be about -2 today. It's freezing. The sun can't even get through the clouds, it's that cold. So yeah, this railway here is the Cheltenham to Warwickshire steam train that comes past Cheltenham Racecourse. So we're heading up now towards this train station. Apparently at the end of this train station there's like a dead end where the train stops because it's a steam train. It's like a one-way route. So the train stops there, and then after that train station is where the abandoned railway line is with the old abandoned trains. Yeah, so people who live here know all about Hunting Butts Farm and the abandoned bridge. There's like a railway bridge with old trains, and apparently it's quite spooky, but I've done a bit of research and there's no actual ghost stories There's none whatsoever. No ghost stories, no hauntings, nothing, so that's good. Yeah, as you can see, I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but the sun's struggling to get through the clouds. It's that frosty and foggy this morning.
Frosty this morning.
Yeah, the sun's struggling to get through the clouds. So we're not far away now. We're about, I don't know, 500 metres away, 400 metres away from the actual train station. Where they have like a Hogwarts type of, you know, the old-fashioned steam trains. One of them ones, yeah. 6, 7, yeah. Stop. That's not 6, 7. It says 10.
So are we doing urbexing?
Are we doing airbexing? I don't know if I call it airbexing, like, because I suppose if we were to actually go in and get into the grounds and actually go and explore the trains, then that would be airbexing, I guess. But I don't know. Nah, not really. So you're asking me again, I don't know. Obviously it's something to do with the train. The train triggers that.
Oh, electricity
And
power line.
it triggers the signal. See the signal up there? So obviously they're like cogs to turn something. So yeah. So basically, when the guy that sits in the tower or the whatever, he wants to stop the train, he pulls the wire, and the wire pulls that wire, and it goes round that pulley and goes up there and pulls that, and that changes the signal.
Hey Dad, look.
Yeah, so we're obviously not stopping for the train, but we're coming here just to show the train's going to be coming into the platform now. So I'm here for the abandoned trains. That's what I'm here for. I'm not here for the train. I'm here to get access to the tunnel down there. That's what I'm here for. I was told to come this way and stick to the right and you can get down there, but I don't know how you can get down there. It's going to be access. The access is probably going to be over the other side of the bridge, I reckon.
Well, I would say,
Because you can't walk along this line, because this is a live train line. Well, it's not live electric, but I mean it's a live as in it's in use. Obviously, where it branches off to the right, where it goes straight over, that's where the train line's dead. That's where it doesn't exist anymore. It's not used.
I would say, if you want to get even better, I would say go on that bridge at the top, and you get to record it coming in.
No, I'm not recording the trains. I'm exploring the abandoned trains down the bottom. Have you ever been here before? Do you live here? Do you?
I live in Cheltenham. I've been on this line quite a few
If
times.
you go down there, there's a hunting book. There's an abandoned tunnel with hundreds of trains, rusted trains inside. There's a tunnel down there, but obviously you can't get access to it because it's not publicly accessible.
It is, because I went in there.
So you've been in there?
I've been in there, but I got myself stuck at the same time.
So how did you get? So which way? Which way did you go then?
So you go up, and then you carry on up until you get to the end.
Yeah.
I would say ask him, 'cause he might know.
He probably won't want me to. He won't want me to go in there though, because they say because it's owned by Great Western Railway, isn't it? So.
Yeah, this one's actually the Gloucester. Well, this is the Gloucester Warwick.
Is there a train due in? Is there? A steam train?
Betton Grange, that one is.
Is it a steam train? Is it? Oh, okay. Oh, here it comes. Yeah, here we go. There's a steam train. I'm not really a train kind of guy, but you know, we'll get it on the video for YouTube, won't we? What? I like steam trains though. Is this a proper choo-choo one? Is it?
Yeah.
Is it? Here comes the steam train. Here comes Thomas. Choo-choo. Here comes Thomas. Right, I need to go and find access to that, you know, because we can't get in that way. We need to go. I'm gonna go over the bridge.
You've got a drone.
I know I've got a drone, but I can't fucking stick it up over there because there's trees. We'll go around the top of the bridge, see if we can get over the other side. Now that is a proper train, isn't it? That's a proper train, that is. It's all of a sudden just got warmer because of the steam. However, we haven't come here for this one. As nice as this is, we haven't come here for this.
Oh no, it says Abbey Gate.
Freezing. Baltic. I've just come here, parked all the way down the bottom there, because I live over the road.
Yeah.
And there's abandoned trains in a tunnel down here.
There's a what?
Abandoned trains.
Oh.
Like old abandoned steam trains and stuff, like rusted. Hundreds of them, and they're like,
Tunnel,
and there's an old tunnel as well, all been barricaded up with all like, it's like all the airbexes go there, all the urban explorers go there. But I was going to go there, and I've just come here. We've walked what, a mile from where we were, got a bit of footage on the camera. Went to get my drone up, set it up. Haven't put the SD card in it.
Oh no.
So now I've got to go all the way home now and go and get my SD card. Yeah?
The line ends here, don't it?
The line ends, but it ends, but it doesn't, if you get what I mean. So it branches off to the left and goes straight over. So if you look down, if you go down there and look down there, you'll see all the old trains.
Oh, I just got to have a quick.
They're like really like rusted. You can see them on the bridge actually. If you go on the bridge on the top there, you'll be able to see, if you look down at the old train line, you'll see the old abandoned trains. There's like an abandoned tunnel as well with old trains in it. They've all got graffiti. I don't know why someone would want to graffiti them, but they have. They're covered in graffiti and, but yeah. That's what you call good timing, that is. Oh, sauna.